If you like quick and delicious breakfast, this video is for you. In a bowl, you're going to crack 2 eggs. Then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 5 full tablespoons of milk, and then you're just going to mix them up. Just keep mixing it until it's creamy. Now we're going to add 8 tablespoons of wheat flour. I would love to know from which city or country you're watching this from, so I can send you a big hug. And for less, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and the personal amount of salt. You will now continue to mix. Now on a hot skillet, you're going to put 2 slices of mozzarella cheese. The cheese already smells so good. When you notice the cheese is starting to melt, you're just going to add your mix on top of it. Try this recipe at home and let me know what you think. Also put in a comment who do you think you would like this recipe. You're then going to cover it and let it cook for 3 minutes until your mix gets a little bit harder. For my filling, I will add 1 slice of mozzarella cheese, 1 slice of ham, another slice of cheese, then you're going to just fold it in half. But also remember you can use any filling you want. And I really appreciate your time for watching this recipe. You're not going to regret it. And that's it. It's a very delicious and quick breakfast when you're just on a rush. Kids tend to love this recipe, so make sure you give them a try. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure you come back so you can check more recipes. Enjoy!